Hello, dear students. I am Niranjan Jha, a teacher of Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan Darbhanga. This time I am going to teach the students of class 6. This is subject math, chapter 4. The name of this chapter is Basic Geometrical Concepts. This is 7th day on this video. On this chapter, this is 7th day of discussion. In previous video we have read about parts of a polygon, different parts of polygon. What were the parts of polygon? First we have to revise, then we shall discuss new topics. This is a polygon. The name of polygon is A, B, C, D, E. What are the different parts? Vertex. Vertex means that point where two sides meet. Vertex, that point where two sides meet, is known as vertex of a polygon. A, B, C, D are the vertex of the polygon. Vertices all are the vertices of the polygon. First part is vertices. Second is the sides. A line segment forming polygons. What is sides? The line segment forming polygon are known as sides. ED is a side. DC is a line segment which form the polygon, so DC is the side. All the line segments which form polygon are known as sides. Then diagonal, adjacent side. One is the adjacent angles, adjacent vertices. The two ends of the same side. Is known as adjacent vertices. For example, B and C are vertices of a side DC. B and C are the adjacent vertices. E and D. E is one end, D is other end of the same side. So E and D are the adjacent vertices of a polygon. Then diagonals. What is diagonal? Fourth part was diagonals. The line joining vertices which are not adjacent. Here D and C are adjacent vertices. D and B are non-adjacent vertices. The line joining D and B are the diagonals. Again, C and E is the diagonal. Why it is diagonal? Because C is a line segment which join two non-adjacent vertices. Clear? Now this time our topic is types of polygon. There are different types of polygon. Types of polygon. First type of polygon is the convex polygon. What is convex polygon? First is the convex polygon. A polygon having measure of each angle less than 180 degree is called a convex polygon. Suppose we are drawing a polygon. Here what we are seeing, each angle is less than 180 degree. If we shall extend this, then this angle is equal to 180 degree. This angle is 180 degree. But this angle is actual angle of this polygon and this is less than 180 degree. Here what we are seeing, all angles are less than 180 degree. So this type of polygon is known as convex polygon. A triangle, any type of triangle. Here what we are seeing, this is a triangle. The name of triangle is ABC. There are three sides and there are three angles. The measure of each angle is less than 180 degree. Less than 180 degree. So this is an example of convex polygon. Second is concave polygon. What is concave polygon? A polygon in which at least one angle is more than 180 degree. This is the definition, you must memorize definition. A polygon in which at least one angle is greater than 180 degree is called a concave polygon. Now we shall draw the figure, then we shall make it clear. concave polygon. Suppose this is one angle. Actually what, this is 180 degree. This is a point and this angle is equal to 180 degree, a straight angle. 180 degree angle is known as a straight angle. And we have to draw angle more than 180 degree. We shall bend this line. You turn this line and come to this point. Remove it. This angle is more than 180 degree. What we are seeing? One angle is more than 180 degree. You draw this angle more than 180 degree and then draw a polygon. Draw a polygon. This is a polygon. The name of polygon is A, B, C, D and E. ABCD is a polygon which has 5 sides. This is a pentagon, 5 sides. Now what we are seeing, this angle is 90 degree, this angle is less than 90 degree, but this does not mean. What is the main things? One angle, angle EDC, angle EDC is greater than 180 degree. If at least one angle is greater than 180 degree, then that type of polygon is known as convex polygon, concave polygon. And we know what is concave or convex. Concave means which is bent inward direction. Which is bent inward direction. Here what we are seeing, one vertex is bent in inward direction. This all vertices are bent in outward direction, but only one vertex is bent in inward direction. So it is known as concave polygon. Third type is regular polygon. What is a regular polygon? If regular polygon, first you read what is the definition of regular polygon. Regular polygon, a polygon in which all sides are equal, is called regular polygon. Example, equilateral triangle, a square. These are the examples of regular polygon. In a regular polygon, all angles are also equal. Regular polygon. Draw an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. A, B, C. There are 3 sides. A, B is equal to B, C is equal to C. All the 3 sides are equal. So the equilateral triangle is an example of regular polygon. Draw a square. In a square what we are seeing, all sides are equal. A, B, C, D. AB बराबर BC, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. This is a regular polygon. Regular polygon is a polygon in which all sides are equal. Now you have to reply, a rectangle. A rectangle is an example of polygon or not? Rectangle. It is a polygon, but it is a regular polygon or not? It is not a regular polygon. And why it is not a regular polygon? Because all sides are not equal. AB is equal to CD and not equal to AD and BC. All sides are not equal. So rectangle is not an example of regular polygon. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is an example of regular polygon or not? Isosceles triangle is not an example of regular polygon, because in isosceles triangle only 2 sides are equal, A, B, C. Only AB is equal to AC, not equal to BC. So it is not a regular polygon. Now in next video we shall read again different types of polygons. The nomenclature of polygon is done on the basis of number of sides. In next video we shall discuss it. Thanks.